Yeah, guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, there's a tornado siren. It's not even windy or anything, so I don't know if it's going off for us, but there is a severe thunderstorm warning, so. Oh yeah, it just got louder. You guys should be able to hear that. Yeah, I'm gonna go get downstairs. Peace. Update on the tornado, guys. It's getting windier. So, I'm downstairs right now. Yeah. Last update, I just got the alert, so I'm gonna go. I know I said last update, but it wasn't actually that bad. It's still going, but not as bad. And the siren came back on. I just saw lighting.